you're looking for the perfect party food to home make yourself, then look no further. Cooking Company is introducing you to mustard fried chicken. Now don't worry if you don't like mustard, there are always alternatives. You can just simply leave it out or perhaps replace it with something like horseradish. A nice thick sauce, anything will do. You can choose your flavours, perhaps you want to go more spicy, perhaps you want to go a little bit sweet. Whatever you decide, these are sure to please any party guest. Start with 500 grams of chicken goujon pieces, 100 grams of mustard goes onto that, plus 50 grams of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 2 teaspoons of black pepper. We're going to add 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper for some spice and 1 teaspoon of parsley flakes. We're using dried herb, but you can use fresh herb, even better. Maybe some fresh garlic too. Once that's all nicely coated, we're just going to put it aside to soak in the flavour. Get 150 grams of flour and add 2 tablespoons of garlic powder and the same in cayenne pepper to that. If you don't like it spicy, you can just leave out the cayenne pepper. Next, we're going to coat our spiced chicken in the flour mixture. And they are ready to fry in hot oil. Super simple. You can use vegetable oil, sunflower oil. If you want to go healthier, you can use olive oil, or even healthier than that, I would suggest coconut oil. It will give it a lovely extra flavour. They don't take long at all to cook. Just make sure you turn them part way. Get them nice and brown on either side, but we don't want them to burn. And once they're ready, you can just take them out, let the oil drip off. You can also put them on some kitchen towel to soak up some of the excess oil, and ready to serve with a dip. How easy was that? Ready to try one? Delicious.